You get to meet your husband when he wants you to come be with him, and there are many don'ts. You don't plan for yourself, rather your Hi guys, welcome here. Elisan here. Thank you for stopping by. Please stay tuned because I'm here for you, okay? Good. Today is all about this fine lady here. We're gonna wear this while we talk about second wife, my life as a second wife, like what people didn't really know about second wife. You get? So look at this hair. Everything about this hair, I have it in one of my video, which I will link somewhere here. You go check. These days people choose to be second wife, rush into second wife without like thinking about the consequences, without like thinking about what tomorrow will bring. You get? Even for their kids, they don't care about that. So guys, let's go to this hair. Look at this hair. All the details about this hair will be in the description box in case if you need it. It's so affordable. The prices of this hair, everything is in one of my videos, which I've said before. Everything, the contact, everything is there. Just go check it out. It's so good, guys. I was so excited when I was doing a kind of hair haul for this. So we're gonna start while we talk about being a second wife. I was asking one of my auntie, why did she choose to be second wife? Look at what I'm doing. I want to use this powder inside her. This is Teapot twig, so I will touch my powder here. Touch. Days are gone when you bleach your hair. They don't bleach anymore. Just use your powder. Touch. Yes, like I said before, I was asking one of my auntie, why did she choose to be a second wife? She said that she didn't plan it. Like in those days, during their time, that would be around 1950 something or 1960 something, that you don't plan for yourself, rather your parents plan for you. That's what she said. So, and of course we know about that as Africa. Even in school, your parents plan for you, choose your course of study for you, that kind of a thing. So she said that she didn't choose, rather the parents choose, because those days if a man comes for your hand in marriage, your parents determines if you marry or not. If that is what they want, they push you into it. You get? So she decided to find herself as a second wife, which really tortured her life, and even in the area of childbearing, because you only get to meet your husband when he wants you to come be with him. And if, according to what my auntie said, if you put to bed, you will stay like ages before coming to your husband. And at the same time, in those days, there are many rules, there are many do's, and there are many don'ts when it comes to husband and wife. But in this our generation, ladies choose to be second wife. Ladies go in to be second wife without thinking about the consequences, without thinking about what it would result in the nearest future. You get? So I've finished doing it. I think I like what it gives me. Let me put a little touch on this area. Before I continue, this hair, it's Teapot. Look from here, you've seen it. It's Teapot twig, and look at that. But it's the 360. Sorry, but the net is just like ear to ear. You get? So for me, that is the only difference with this and 13x4 or 13x6 is that you can part it anywhere, but with this, only the middle is what you're gonna part. But cutting it off, you can do this all back, like, because look at this, look at the net. Like I was saying, now in this generation, this our time, ladies choose on their own to be second wife. They don't even care what tomorrow brings. They don't even care about their kids. What they want is their happiness. You get? Like, imagine a lady, like a single girl, going into a man's life, a man that have like 5 children, a boy and a girl. Not that he's lacking a boy or he's lacking a girl, he needs somebody to produce a boy or something for him, something like that. They just find themselves there. You get? Like, I don't just get it. I don't get it. And people that have been in polygamy already, product of polygamy, they come out to tell you that, girl, this is not what you got to experience, you get. But this are generation, they are just jumping into it without caring. The most annoying part of it is that people that find themselves in there while the man does not even have money. Like, well, I need to cut off this net. Guys, I'm done cutting the hair. I forgot to mention early, although I mentioned in my whole video. This hair is from Wow Queen Hair. It's a hair factory directly from where you get. So I'm done cutting it. Inside this hair has this band. It has this. It also have this. Look at that. Like anyone you want to use, you can use it. Using this, you don't even need gum or anything. So let's start. So like what I was saying concerning people and polygamy, these days ladies just rush into people's husband and started living with boldness and proudness in them. Like this one that is trending, this Nigerian whatever, and the side chick that happens to be pregnant, all of a sudden the man announced the lady to be the second wife, thinking that people will clap for him. Yes, you tried bringing your concubine or your side chick as a wife instead of your son living outside your home. Little did he know that the world will just blast him, something like that. And the lady is so full of herself, proud, still advertising herself. So what I'm trying to say is this: if you're a single lady, I think it's better you wait for that guy to marry you. Wait for a single guy, because like I can't even imagine what it will feel like sharing your husband with someone. The jealous there, the envy, so the world is really coming to an end, seriously. Even the way we are seeing it, the worst will still come. So guys, ladies these days jump into married men's life. I wonder what happened to single guys. And there are a lot of single guys out there looking for whom to marry, but they choose someone's husband. Finally, I got to conclude that this is a time, because even the Bible said that that time will come that 7 men will rush to a man for them to be called married, you get. So but I don't think it's wise for all the negative things that happen in the Bible, or the Bible says, to befall on your head. Like Judas Iscariot, Bible says that someone will betray Jesus, and it happens to be Judas Iscariot. Like polygamy is not what that's supposed to be practiced, you get. It is not at all, because if you ask people that have been into it or products of polygamy, everybody will just be shouting, crying, please don't. But ladies these days, they don't send you message. They don't send you message. This is what I always used to lay my hair. And in those days, people choose to be second wife, in the sense that the first wife might be barren or something. Then the second wife will come over to produce in the family. And my auntie told me that even in her case, then people marry a second wife so that they will see people that will help them in their farming business. For example, if a man is very rich, Ezeji, for example, in Igbo land, they have title that they call Ezeji. So the man will have as many wives as possible, help them in their farming. And some families are good to push their kids their girl child into polygamy as of them, because they don't have to say. Unlike this time around, if you don't want to marry any man and your parents pressurize you, you can run to your elder brother's house or your cousin or your uncles that lives far away. Then in the olden days, they all live together. Like your uncle might be living right hand side, your daddy living left hand side, the other uncle by this way, something like that, big compound. So They don't have anywhere to go unless they run to their matrimonial home, which might not be far, you get. And the only thing, if you run to your matrimonial home, your matrimonial people, your uncles there or whatever, they will take you to your parents to discuss what the problem is and settle it, you get. So but these days we have our freedom to do whatever we do. Ladies now choose to find themselves in bondage, you get, all in the name of they want to settle down. Please, oh, everybody, if you want to settle down, settle on your own. Guys, are you guys seeing this hair? What do you have to say about this hair? Oh God, tell me something. Should I turn my back? Who wants to see my back? Guys, do you like this hair? It's fine, it's fine, it's so fine. I like it. So guys, that's what I'm saying concerning polygamy. Young ladies of these days, please, just to avoid some certain things, because the more you push yourself into that, you don't know what tomorrow brings. For the children, that is hatred, keep going on and going on. And our grandparents did that, and our fathers learned from that. In this generation, like from our father, you notice there are no much polygamy because they experience it. Now in this period, we choose to do it. We are suffering our kids. I think it's better everybody just wait. One man, one wife is best, because in the nearest future, what happened in those days will still happen again, where hatred will be the order of the day. This, that is not good. Well, like I said before, every lady should just keep their cool, leave people's husband alone. Just leave someone's husband. If you want to date a married man, date him in peace. All the same, guys, what do you have to say about this hair? I love this hair. Okay guys, so that is it for today. Hope you guys love this hair and hear one or two things about being polygamy, that it doesn't worth it. Our parents in those days, they forced their kids to do that. Now ladies themselves are forcing themselves into polygamy, which doesn't supposed to be. Thank you so much for watching, and please do the needful by subscribing to my channel and wait for the best. Okay.